A touching video circulating online has deeply touched many people, showcasing the moment popular Nigerian singer Wizkid visited his old secondary school in Ogun State. On November 10, 2023, Wizkid not only visited the home of Fuji icon K1 The Ultimate but also went to the palace of Oba Sikiru Adetona with K1 The Ultimate. There, they knelt down and received the king's royal blessings. Displaying his affection for his alma mater, grammar school, Wizkid toured the school, pointing out the class where he had his first performance and the assembly ground. The video captures the hearts of the students present, who were visibly overjoyed. Wizkid, who arrived at the school with his Rolls Royce and entourage, later departed, driving towards their next destination.
That was who, please? I don't want to get one guy. Come on. I'm a baby. Describe yourself. Your dad first name.
They are all in the room, so we don't have to move anything. Another single there.
They have like 6 in total.
Yeah, 2 doubles, yes, 2 singles.
That's music for you. We have top-notch environment here.
Anytime, exactly.
So, Bravo, you want one picture with the music? Look, let's take it.
I know, send her for my dear.
I know, send it from you.
I know now.
No, the front. Yeah. Wind down, kid.